Hello everyone, this is my first video tutorial and I want to show you how to change and update your profile if you want to do it. When you are in your web page and in the top right you find your name, click on your full name and here you are going to see different options about all the details that you have shown to your contacts. You can click on edit profile. And here you can update all the information about your name, your email, how you want to see you, and city and country. As soon as you write what you want to update, you click on update profile. Because if you do this, it is not going to change. When you go to notifications that is here on the top to the bell, you can find what other partners are doing. So it is really interesting because here is the place where you can share meaningful experiences, doubts, and also you can see what the others are doing. If you select see all, you will find all the activities that you have and important details about how to do what you need to about achieving your task. So see you soon.